Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Bridging the Gap. So glad you're spending your time with us today.
It's great to have you all here. Hope you're ready for a lively discussion.
Absolutely. We've got a topic that's really important and, honestly, hits close to home for many of us.
Yeah, we're chatting about the challenges seniors face with technology and mobility. Such a biggie these days.
Right. With technology moving so fast, it's easy to forget that it can be overwhelming for our older generation.
Tell me about it. My mom still struggles with her smartphone. She always complains about the tiny icons and confusing settings.
I can relate. My dad accidentally set his phone to airplane mode and thought it was broken for a week.
Oh no, that's both hilarious and a little sad.
Exactly. It really affects their quality of life when they can't fully engage with technology.
I was talking to my neighbor yesterday, and she said she misses out on family photos because she doesn't use social media.
Wow, that's tough. It's like a whole world they're excluded from.
Right, and it's not just about staying connected. It's about daily essentials like banking and shopping.
Absolutely. The digital divide is real, and it can be isolating.
Aha, that's where those built-in accessibility features are such lifesavers. Voice commands, larger text, they make a world of difference.
Yeah, but I sometimes wonder if they even know those features exist.
Good point. I think a lack of awareness is a huge hurdle.
Definitely. We should be doing more to spread the word,
Agreed. Community programs and workshops could help bridge that knowledge gap.
Speaking of workshops, remember when we volunteered at the senior center?
Oh, yes. That was such an eye-opener.
The way their faces lit up when they sent their first text message, priceless.
Totally. It just shows that with a little guidance, they can become quite tech-savvy.
But it's not just about tech, is it? Mobility is another big challenge.
Absolutely. Have you heard about those ride-sharing apps designed specifically for seniors?
Actually, I have. They simplify the process so they don't have to mess around with complicated menus.
Exactly. And that gives both them and their caregivers peace of mind.
Couldn't agree more. Safety and independence are so important.
Oh, speaking of safety, there's this new tech smart walker. Have you heard of it?
Wait, what? Smart walker sounds like something from a sci-fi movie.
I know, right? But it's real. A walker with built-in sensors to monitor vitals and assist with navigation.
Wow, that's incredible. Technology really is pushing boundaries.
It really is. And it can have such a positive impact on their everyday lives.
I was reading about another device that detects if someone has fallen and automatically calls for help.
Oh, wow. That's so crucial, especially for those who live alone.
Right. It can really be a lifesaver.
Absolutely.
Now, circling back, what practical tips can we offer to caregivers?
Well, for starters, installing grab bars at home to prevent falls is a simple yet effective measure.
True. And preloading important apps on devices can save a lot of hassle.
Absolutely. Also, adjusting settings for larger text and high contrast displays can make devices much easier to use.
Good idea. And setting up voice assistants to respond to simple commands is super helpful.
And encouraging them to use customer support helplines, that's what they're there for.
Right, and we shouldn't overlook organizations like AARP and the National Council on Aging as resources.
Exactly. It's all about being proactive and supporting them in every way we can.
I'm not so sure everyone knows about these resources, though.
Maybe not, which is why it's important we spread the word.
Agreed. So for those listening, don't hesitate to reach out and share your own tips and stories.
Yes, we'd love to hear from you. Let's build a community and help each other out.
Absolutely. After all, accessibility is more than a buzzword. It's about improving lives.
Well said.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Until next time.
Stay safe and stay connected.